Hey guys, welcome back. So today we will talk about the affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners 2026 step by step. So affiliate marketing in 2026 is not about luck. It's about picking the right niche, running paid traffic properly, and understanding your data. So today I'm going to break this down step by step. So step 1 is how to pick a niche with real earning potential. Most beginners pick a niche based on passion. That's a mistake. Instead, ask, is there a proven demand? Are people already spending money in this niche? Are there multiple products with good payouts? And I will gonna share with you also how to run a sales conversion campaign on Facebook. You need a sales conversion campaign. The goal is simple. You're not hoping for sales. You're buying data. So paid traffic gives you speed. Speed gives you clarity, and clarity gives you profit. And step number 3, I will show you how to analyze your data using a tracking software. So if you rely on Facebook reporting, you're guessing. You need a tracking software so you can see which ad actually made the sale. So when you track properly, you kill losing ads faster and you scale winners confidently and you stop blaming the product. So now step 1 is how to pick a niche with real earning potential. So first is go to your affiliate network. So whether you are using Clickbank or Buy Goods or any affiliate network that you want to use, just go there and choose a product that you want to promote. For example, for Clickbank, sign up with Clickbank for free. Just go to top offers and just explore the first page of Clickbank. So for example, this is ranked from high to low. So you will see some top offers here. For example, this one, this is a weight loss product. This is the average dollar per conversion that you will get if you made a sale. So it's 220.98. And let's say here, this one is a memory product. So you can get an average dollar per conversion 54.07. So I highly recommend that you choose a product that can give you at least $100+ commission. If you do not know which one to promote, just go to Google Trends, type your product here, the niche that you want. Okay, for example, weight loss. And here, I will just choose here worldwide. And then for the past 5 years, so you will see here for weight loss, there is a big jump here, December and January. Okay, there's a big jump also December, January. Weight loss demands for the first 2 quarters of the year, the demand is up, heading to 100. Choose a product that has a high demand. And let's say if you want to compare this with, let's go back here in Clickbank. Let's say you want to promote, let's see here, a prostate offer. So let's just go here and compare with prostate. So let's compare this with weight loss. The prostate topic is lower than weight loss. And let's see another product here. So for example, you want this TED woodworking. So it's a woodworking. This is the average conversion that you will get. Let's see and compare this. So you can use Google Trend to compare the niche that you want to promote and just make sure that the product that you want to promote has at least high demand. So like here, there is this hitting at least 100. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the weight loss niche compared to prostate 57 and compared to woodworking 4. Step 2, I will show you how to run a sales conversion campaign on Facebook. So if you are in your business manager, just go to campaigns and then click create. And then here you will see choose your campaign objective. So in our case, what we want is sales. So just click sales and then click continue. And then just name your campaign here. Let's say campaign number 1. Okay, this one is just my test. And buying auction, just keep it auction. Campaign objective, this one is sales. Okay, when you click this one, nothing here. And here you will see budget. Choose ad set budget. And this one, make sure you uncheck this one and nothing here. And then next is click Add Set or click Next. And name your ad set here. Let's say this one is your ad set 1. And then under conversion location, make sure that this one is in website. Maximize number of conversions. And here in dataset, make sure to choose your pixel name. And then for conversion event, just choose purchase. And then down below, you will see here budget and schedule. You can set your daily budget here. So whether this one is $10, $20, $15. Set this the next day and set this at 3 o'clock a.m. You will see here the audience. So just keep this Advantage Plus on. You will see here locations. You will choose here United States. So if you're just getting started, start with United States. Show more control, and then you will see this languages. Just click this and put here English all. And then suggest an audience. Click this show settings. So this is where you will include your custom audience. If you already choose a product to promote, contact the seller and ask for their hash list, the look-alike hash list. Target that hash list first, the look-alike hash list from the product vendor. So just click this one, and you can see here if you already loaded your lookalike audience. You can see here lookalike audience. I have no lookalike audience here since this is a test account. You can just watch my other video about how to create a lookalike audience. And then choose that lookalike audience, and then age, you can just click here, enter your target age. So you can start by age of 35 if you want to go for a loose weight niche. And then gender, normally for loose weight niche, I normally target women. And that's all here. And then next is either you can go here add or click next. And then name your ad. So let's say this one is ad 1. And you can pick your Facebook page here. And if you do not have any Instagram account, just use Facebook page here. And then don't choose any branding. Then this is where you will create your ad. Uncheck this multi-advertisers ad. Uncheck it. And then here you will enter your website URL. So just enter your website URL. So for example, your website URL is www, for example only, mysite.com. Make sure that your website event. So in my case, I am using ClickMagick. So to get that UTM parameter, all you need to do is just go here, Tools, and you will see this URL Builder. Click URL Builder and click Tracking Templates. And then here, choose Facebook. So here you can see UTM source. This is Facebook. Medium. So this one is placement. If you want to change this, you can just edit this and click this Add Token. So you will see here the Facebook ads. So what I normally put on Medium is my ad set name. So this is my ad set name. And then here for campaign, I will keep this campaign name. This one, UTM term, I will just delete this and I will normally put here the ad name. I can just remove this and I will just add here the placements. So if you have this placement, you would know from which placement your conversion come from if you made the sale. And here you will see this. This is the UTM that you will copy. Okay, copy and go back to your Facebook ads. And this is what you will paste here in URL parameters. So paste here and that's it. And then this is where you will add your creative, whether you upload an image or a video ad. So let me just put an image here just for an example. Creative. I will add an image. So make sure this one is off, branding is off, and site links, make sure that this one is also off. So just turn this off and then click next. And I will just click one image here. So I will just choose one image just to show you. So this one, make sure that you create a 9.16 image and replace this image. And then click next. And primary text, this is where you will put your ad copy. So insert your ad copy here. And insert your headline here. Okay, headline. And you don't need to put any description here. Learn more, just keep it learn more and then click next. So Facebook will give you some image generation here. So all you need is just skip this one. Okay, you don't need to pick anything here because you want to test your own image. And then click next and then just Ad overlay, just turn this off. This one, keep it on. This one, turn it off. Text improvement, I'll just turn this off. Add animation, I will just turn this off, turn this off. Flex media, it's okay. And then click done. When you see this error, all you need is create a video version of your image. And then once this one is gone, so this one I will not do this. This is a start authentication. Since this is a test account, once you see this error here and turns into green check, once you uploaded a video version of your image, then you can click publish. And then next, step 3, how to analyze your data using tracking software. So once you already place your UTM parameter here, then this is how you can track your sales. Since I am using ClickMagick, so what I am teaching here is what I use. So all you need is, once you already start running your ad, click report and then click UTM performance. You can just go here, medium, and you can just choose here your campaign. So for example, for this campaign, I use medium here and then I put my campaign name here. So it will show here the ad set name. So I will see from which ad set I generated a sale. On this day, I have ad set 9. I generated 17 hops, 1 OFI, and 1 sale. And this is the revenue that I've got, average order value. This is my cost per click, and this is my profit. So overall on this day, from 22 to 23, one day, so my overall profit here is 52. Overall ROI is 63%. But for this specific ad set, I have 429 ROI. So let's say if I will count 3 days, 21 to 23, for example, so I will see here that on this date, I have another sale from ad set 8. So this is the profit and this is my ROI. So overall here is 97%. I have a total profit of 132. So a tracking software is non-negotiable because Facebook normally either under fire or over fire sales. So you cannot trust Facebook when monitoring your sales. And if let's say you want to check from which placement, so all you need is just go here, you will see this stats by, click term. So you will see the placement here, like this sale come from Facebook mobile feed and audience network. So you will see here where Facebook is spending your money. So Facebook is spending $63 on this placement, and also here in Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace. So next time that I will run ads, then I will remove this Facebook placement so I can save this $25.50. Affiliate marketing works, but only when you treat it like a business and follow the data. So if you apply these 3 steps properly, choosing the right niche, paid traffic, and tracking, you are already ahead of 90% of beginners in 2026. This is not about tricks. It's about execution. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have this affiliate marketing mastery course in Udemy. So in this course, you can have a free sneak peek what this affiliate marketing course is all about. Just check the link below this video and I'll see you inside. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my affiliate marketing videos. Clickbank Made Easy will give you the key to generating passive income online so you can travel and spend quality time with your family.